Bafethu, Nazoke, for the first time in history of South African football, Bafana have advanced to the knockout stages of the World Cup. Bafethu, seasons zonke, sidliwe, sadrawa, sawina, skhalile, sahleka, saminya. Siyazi yonke inhlobo ye-emotions sibe nayo nje sibekelele Bafana la. Ngiphethe uNtsunda, ngiphethe uRato, ngiphethe uNkuli. Bafethu, what did you make of the game? Ngqale ngawe Sifiso.
I'm lost for words, Mfethu. I think this is a good thing for the country and to the technical team. Obviously, we've always had something to say. Yes, Hugo Bruce will take it, but somehow South Africans must also take it because of we've been raising our voice in terms of ukuthi kwamele i-lineup ibe kanjani. We tricky lapho nalapho, but credit to him and the boys. Yazi ukuthi manje uyositshela ukuthi I know what I'm doing, but as South Africans we must also take the credit. But credit must go to Amachita. I understand that the mentality and they believed ukuthi they'll make sure ukuthi we go through. So namhlanje I think I'm lost for words, man. I think no one gave Bafana a chance. Now we are up. I think nakhona we siyacela lapho ku World Cup ukuthi can we please play at 3 AM ngoba ngathi we play good. So yeah.
Sikhatsi sabathakathi South Africa.
Lerato redenze kaofela especially today. Remenzera la rataba zaenzekala zonke especially towards the end of the game. Aru ga di tactics telling gore Hugo Bruce o applyile go gaming tse. We did he get it right?
Go risk la defensive first into happy. Like we are into gore okay first re tlo attacker first whistle ra attack. I think you gonna team stability ngabo. So we didn't defend today. La nentse re bona le first half gore nentse re zama bo. So kona asebisa the very same thing to say attack but now for now I can hold him I kichilo le na mo le go gore bafana ito winner because of styling 11 selena ba sintitso so I had that belief kiyo but even though her prediction is a 2-0 ba winner ka 1. So I'm very proud ba sebisitse as a team ba lwane Machita compared to those 2 games they did but again in football it's not how you start ngaqetelela. It's how you finish.
As long as it's
and that's what I'm telling you. That's why they're saying. So you want to retaliate in the bad way. Yes. But today we go qualify.
Yeah, no. I guess also first game LA Nelly lesson. Fundile Hugo Bruce ukuthi u defender when you have nothing to lose but a lot to gain from playing your usual game. Mfana Wonder Boy urile buhile Mfukeng. Wa create la chance beka ba phasa bo magopa bo police bo maseko ba ikejele ngokwabo la machita lawa. What did you make of Mfukeng starting this game?
What a performance from Umfana urile Mfukeng. Obviously ama eyeballs amaningi bewakuye even nabanye abantu abangamazi urile Mfukeng but bebasho ukuthi Wonder Boy wase South Africa wayangadlali yabo. Hugo Bruce bekamtreata njengomfana omncane nje lapha namtotosa but ke umniki opportunity ukuthi aqale igame bheka wenzeni namhlanje udlale kahle kakhulu create ama opportunities amaningi. Like to say congratulations to Bafana even individual players urile Mfukeng. Hey uma sekusindile bafethu ngabe simhlasela sonke manje but ukwazile ukurescue ukushaya igoli eli-important kakhulu for Bafana and the previous game futhi uye ositholela ipenalty so ayasithole what a performance. I'm impressed and that defense be solid so besine structure esi-right bafethu laphana emuva sibonile ama Korea bewanganayo chance mawubheka yabo. So make sure ukuthi asivuli space kakhulu besibayeka abadlali ubona ngathi bane freedom but as soon as baya laphana ku defense besiba pressure same time yabo. So what a performance from Bafana. Hugo Bruce for namhlanje ngizokunika mfethu ngizosho ukuthi yazini usiprove wrong yabo. Usiprove wrong uselect abantu bakho but ubalandile straight because siyazi ukuthi Bafana iyakwazi ukucompete misibalanda because into nathi besisho ukuthi you have nothing to lose. Faka ama attackers ubalande straight labantu labo zokwazi ukwa create ama opportunities. History was made tonight. Wow, this morning in South Africa singazi all over the world ukuthi isikhathi time zone yakhona ithi so congratulations to the gents. I did not believe ukuthi Bafana izokwazi ukuwina but just give your all when you are given an opportunity to perform. Just give your all. Umhlaba wonke ubhekile bebahleka but namhlanje we've made history. Laba abayisupportayo Bafana siyabonga laba bangayisupport nabo siyabonga bafowethu. You've made your decisions and ngicela nizibambe siqine lapho.
So Sifiso ngifuna sikhulume about the impact akaTshepang Murimi. First game akadlalanga since ahlele benchini. Uthema kangena first touch yakhe or create opportunity for Thapelo Maseko Wakora. Do you think he's going to be an important player moving forward for Bafana Bafana?
Yeah, he is. I think him coming in, it shows the mentality of the player. Because any player unalento ukuthi why sengifakwa manje because last 2 games I didn't play. So the coach took a decision. Everyone was looking good to coach will take out Maseko. And then obviously Umremo wangena. We don't know ukuthi usazomsebenzisa the way amsebenzise ngakhona because of I don't think lento besikhuluma ukuthi a police has had best World Cup. We haven't seen much of him. Does the coach go back to phela sesqualifyile manje? Asasimela bobana abasiyodlala nawo. Yeah, usamcela ukuthi uyuko thisimyeke. It is enjoying what's happening this morning. Ngiyawuzwa namanje ekuseni la ekhona ama-taxi awahudi kusho ukuthi abantu abaye emsebenzini mfethu.
So kwele ngingani
ke holidays. Sicela ukuthi bafethi holiday namhlanje iSouth Africa isimamele. Kunendaba abacede ukungithumela yona but I think kusamele si confirm bebacela nje ukuthi sithandeziseni coach Mashaba ngathi he's battling ne prostate cancer. So yeah, bafethu sizomgcina in our thoughts. Sizomgcina in our thoughts and prayers same time as coach. He's one of the coaches naye who had, well, not the best but nabeka sengisho Spencer ke neBafana Bafana, but he did have a successful spend neBafana Bafana ngikhumbula dlalisa boKike Ntoli nabo Mandla Masango nanani. He believed in a young talent ethu. In closing, iBafana how far? Phela manje sesingabreaka manje. Siyofika kuphi? How far are we going to make it in this tournament? Yabona? Sesingabreaka. Siqale ladies first. Bafana itlo fitla kai? Semi-final, quarter final?
I think round 16. I was so sharp with semi-final. But yeah, go to depend ka team lo ba tlo fa yona. For nna ke nana go mo ke mo tlo gona. Yo mtum fethu. So it depend ka team ba tlo fa yona, then that's why you cannot talk re bone go okay. Ba go file maybe team lo reng is strong ka po team e weak ke mo tlo gona bona go gae. Maybe semi-final ka fitla le final lo tsaba ma bolo ka se itse bintu.
Sfizo World Cup ya ma underdog le.
Yeah.
We said it isaqala sasho the ways into zihamba ngakhona. World Cup ya ma underdog because ama country besinga expectanga ukuthi perform. Sonke besi right off iBafana Bafana. From qualifiers sonke besinalento ukuthi yabona nje at least masingakora igoal or anything yabo, but they made it this far. When ifika kuphi iBafana Bafana?
Last 16. Because I think one thing we have to look, we can match any team, but do we have the mentality? You understand? The mentality is one thing important. Yes, right now we believe, because of we've made it. Yeah, we have to believe. Sesiyazi ukuthi sesomela uMadala ashaya ama press conference wakhe asithuke asitshela indaba zethu nani. But I think last 16 for me will be because of we have to understand ukuthi manje we are number 2 in the group. So meaning that we're going to play the number 1 of some other group, which is kwamele sibone ukuthi abobani, and which is no one gave us a chance. Everyone was thinking how Korea plays. I think now Korea came with that mentality that sometimes when you win the game before you played, so the guys showed the mentality. For me, I'm proud to be South African, and Amachita, Adlalile, everyone who's involved in the Bafana. Let's one thing we should do now with us, we must stay humble. Hey, sizo enjoy amarande badlala nini?
Hey, sisazolindanyana.
Oh, sazolin. Oh, no, we have time to celebrate it. Celebrate bafethu. Sibe mnandi.
Thina neMexico, well, besides laba abanye kusamele badlale, it's ama country oqala number 1 number 2 book indawo yethu kula 32. Simele the remaining 30 countries. Thina sesida. Simele laba abanye abayi-30 ukuthi baqede badlale. Although like abo France ba guaranteed ukuthi
No.
Brazil idlulile nayo.
No, asibaye abo France bangenile. Yabona laba bana 6 points. Yiba bafike. So manje thina into as manje into engithanda think bheka ifone as calculate siyabheka ukuthi siphethe ubani.
Mina all I know Nkuli.
Sure.
iBafana Bafana one good day ngadlalana noma ubani. Singazibambela on a good day singadlalana noma ubani singazibambela. And do you agree with me when I say ukuthi we are not the West African team in the World Cup, and Bafana is definitely better than Senegal? Senegal abana ne point eli1
nabo Morocco siyabashaya yabo yabo singacompete nanoma ubani mawubona even nomoro ukuthi badlala kanjani, it's just that kunje singawasab lama national team esodlala nawo yabo. So if abo Cabo Verde abakhona bangakwazi ukubamba abo Spain thina singahlulwa yini yabo, because ama teams lawo esijwayele vele ukwashaya endo esijwayele ucompete nawo. So yayi bafana kusho ukuthi I surprise ke for abantu abaningi. I think umhlaba wonke uthukile namhlanje ukuthi hayibo le team lena esiyibukelile first game akusiyo le team lena esiyibonayo elwa series. So ayikho team ekumele siyisabe kahle kahle emhlabeni yabo. Mawungena eground in 11 versus 11 yabo, noma kuthi udlala nobani bafowethu, so iwin ungakwazi ukuyithola just ukumisela. Abantu kumele ba-adapt ispirit sakambokazi inkabi football then ke izinto yabo zoba right.
Ya nakhona si madoda njengoba ni you are joining us, sazochubeka madoda, you'll join us last 32.
Hey yaso umsebenzi uyaqhubeka.
Bese ukuthi siyayivala namhlanje madoda.
Noma bathi ngeke ngothikisa lesila.
Angeke.
Asindawo.
Sibona la with
Selenye yaka 3.
No, but thanks bafethu we mina ngicela ukufika ipanel yami madoda kudali la yenze wonke ama game ay3. Ano bafethu ngiyabonga ningayile naleyo energy. No bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi basinike lama game ango3 nizoyenza, nami ngizozama ukuza elinyana.
Ngoba sifika
Yasho lama game wo3 wasenza ukuthi
yeah.
And abafethu phela nama appetizer phela manibona ngathi ningakwazi ukuhlangana nasestrategy. Isithengele lama appetizer. Isithengele
Basho bakuzame ne.
lapha abafethu sikwazi ukuba right.
Nisithanda maka South Africa fan today.
Maseko marodlalile ngama chance. Bafethu ithi sivale sibonga isikhathi senu bafethu, sibonga analysis yenu, everyone who joined us, Facebook, YouTube, Labs live everywhere. Siyabonga ama voice sewashile, siyabonga ukuthi nisijoinile bafethu. Ngiyahamba manje ngiyodlala ama Kellogg's wami, ngifaka ichocolate chip, ngifaka ibisi, ngidla ama Kellogg's, ibreakfast bafana iwinile bafethu. Khumbulani sila Omni Audio Africa. Thank you sir, let's breakfast is ready for you to eat.
Wait, sine show bafethu nisijoin asikahambi yabo, asikahambi. Sine show esizoyenza sokhuluma ngazo zonke izinto about igaming, ukuthi igame siyibone kanjani, singa expectane, and so nibuyisela kwamanye ama game lawa amanye adlalile bafethu, sibone ukuthi okay kuhambe kanjani wrong lapha na first game, second game singa improve kanjani kuma knockout stages, ngoba manje i-do or die yabo. Inkuli Soccer on YouTube bafethu, the biggest, the face of South African football. If ungazi nibukela liphi ibhola kanini, nibukela iSuper Worksport. Danko bafethu.
Danko.
Bye.
Away.
Bye.